Unlock the power of text to self-connections. Make reading come alive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we are diving deep into effective study strategies for mastering the English language. Today, we're focusing on a special technique within active reading known as text to self-connections. This is an incredible tool that will not only help you understand what you're reading but also make your learning journey more engaging and enjoyable. Text to self-connections are a way to engage more deeply with what you're reading by linking the material to your own experiences, emotions, or previous knowledge. This personalizes your reading experience, making the information more relevant and easier to remember. Imagine reading not as a one-way street, but as a dialogue between you and the text. Subsection 1. Why is it useful? By making text to self-connections, you're employing active cognitive processes. You're not just absorbing information, you're interacting with it. This boosts your comprehension and retention rates, making study sessions more productive. Now that you know what text to self-connections are and why they're useful, let's dive into how to actually make these connections. Subsection 1. Reflect and relate. While reading a passage, pause periodically to think about what you've just read. Ask yourself, 1. Does this remind me of something that has happened to me? 2. How does this make me feel? 3. Does this connect with something I already know? Subsection 2. Annotate. Use a pencil, highlighter, or the annotation features of your digital reading platform to jot down your connections. Write brief notes in the margins to capture how the text relates to you personally. Subsection 3. Discuss. After making these connections, it can be useful to discuss them. Whether it's a study group, a classroom setting, or even an online forum, sharing your connections can provide additional perspectives that might further deepen your understanding of the text. Let's say you're reading an English novel about a character who is moving to a new city and feeling anxious. You could connect this to the time when you first started learning English and how that made you feel both excited and nervous. This connection doesn't just make the story more relatable. It also helps you empathize with the characters, thereby enhancing your understanding of the text. So there you have it. Text to self-connections are a valuable part of the active reading toolkit. By linking the text to your own life, you can transform your reading experience from a passive activity into an enriching dialogue. The more you practice this, the more natural it will become. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy studying!